modern software development, what you understand about the domains in which you are working is important. Now, that's always been true, but it's increasingly important to have a flexible way of representing that information, that knowledge, in a way that is accessible at runtime to machine processing systems. And we've seen various flavors of this. We've called it semantic web, we've called it linked data, but a common concept that has become increasingly of interest to organizations around the world is the notion of a knowledge graph. It is a graph of the knowledge that you have about a particular domain expressed in standard data models with standard serialization formats, but able to represent arbitrary domains. When Google looked at its future, it realized it needed to move beyond keyword search and PageRank, and so one of the things that it did was invest in a company called MetaWeb to get access to their Creative Commons licensed dataset called Freebase, which gave them endpoints to bootstrap their knowledge graph. So if you go and you search on Google now for a concept, over on the right, you may end up seeing related information. If it's about a person, it might be biographical information, or who they know, or who they work with, or what projects they're associated with. And that idea is catching on, and now there are multiple knowledge graph conferences, and people are starting to find ways of representing pharmaceutical information, or retail information, or other kinds of product-based information in standard, shareable, linked data, network-friendly, non-siloed ways. So come hear how knowledge graphs are most likely going to become part of your organization's future, and how you can start to benefit from them now as a modern software developer.